Then, ayan, yes. Then, relationship to the applicant, parent, funding type, deposit in financial institution, value in Australia. Yung nilagay niya is, I think, $10,000. So, ayan, finance video. So, ilalagay lang natin kung magkano yung perang nakalaan para sa atin. Para ipakita lang sa immigration na kaya natin sustentuhan ang ating living expenses sa Australia. Sa typical reason of rejection, ito yung maraming tanong na, ma'am, ano po ba yung mga typical na reason bakit kami nare-reject? Bakit na de-denied yung visa namin? Bakit na-cancel yung visa namin? Ito yung mga reason, like, lalo na pag may mga transferable disease ka or makita nila may blood disorder ka, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B or C, liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission for oxygen therapy or others. So, ito sa mga nabanggit ko, once meron ka na yan, I'll say that di na ako magbibigay ng mga false hope. Pero pwedeng ma-reject yung visa natin once sa mga nabanggit ko ng mga sakit or transferable disease meron ka. Next, ito naman tayo sa actual courses for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses. Meron po sa screen nakalagay na yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees. So, para aware na kayo kung magkano yung babayaran nyo for that courses. So, for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, we have Certificate 3 in Early Childhood, Diploma of Early Childhood, Package Early Childhood, Certificate 4 in Mental Health, Diploma of Community Service, Package Health in Community Course. So, ayan yung sa screen. Pwede nyo siya picturean para may hawak na kayo or may idea kayo kung magkano yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees ng early childhood na course. So, pag management courses naman, ayan yung onshore at offshore nila na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. So, sa management courses, meron kaming Diploma of Leadership in Management, Advanced Diploma of Leadership in Management, Graduate Diploma of Management. So, pag information technology courses or IT, Diploma of Information Technology and Advanced Diploma of Information Technology. For automotive courses, we have Certificate 3 in Light Vehicle Technology, Certificate 4 in Automotive Mechanical a Diploma of Automotive Technology. So, sa mga nabanggit ko na courses, if, guys, if anong like, nakapagtapos ka na ng college dito sa Pilipinas, yung kukunin mo na courses is dapat related lang sa course mo dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi once kukuha tayo ng ibang courses, like mag-jump tayo sa ibang courses, like nursing ka, then yung kinuha mo is Diploma of IT or Advanced Diploma of IT, pwede po tayong ma-reject. No jumping of courses, like kailangan related sa courses natin dito sa Pilipinas. For trade courses naman, ayan, meron kami Certificate 3, ayan yung mga enrollment fee, tuition fee, material fee, Certificate 3 in carpentry, Certificate 3 in painting and decorating, Certificate 3 in wall and floor tiling. So meron kaming trade courses na mga then engineering courses, we have Advanced Diploma of Civil Construction Design. For hospitality courses, we have certificate, diploma, and package hospitality courses. So, ayan yung mga enrollment, tuition, and material fees na nakashow sa screen. So, ang ating course start date, this 23 is intake na po tayo. So, the earliest intake for 2024 is January 29 and 20. So, pag gusto mo ng earliest intake, like gusto mo ng January 29, like you need to process this month. Kasi kailangan natin i-process na this month, then baka makahabol ka pa for January 29 intake. And the next intake is April 22, 2024. The next intake is July 15 and October 8. Yan yung mga intake na available for next year, 2024. So sa summary of fees, ito po, sa lahat ng mga gagastusin mo, is just estimated lang po ito. So add 10% buffer So para mas mabuting masobra kaysa sa makulang, right? So yung estimated fees natin sa Australia is like the school tuition fee is $4,230. So sa peso, it's 148,050 pesos. Yung school enrollment fee nila is $300. So sa peso po ito is 10,500. School material fee nila is $500. Sa peso, it's 17,500. Visa application fee is $640. Sa peso, is 22,400. Your medical fee is, I think your medical fee is $350. So it's 12,250 pesos. Yung OSH or over health insurance natin for 1 year single applicant is $1,200. So sa peso, it's 42,000. Yung biometric naman is just $25. So it's 850 pesos. So yung total ng summary of fees is $7,245. So sa peso, overall na magagastos natin for estimated is 253,550 pesos. So guys, again, it's just estimated only. So add 10% buffer, but the total summary of fees is 253,550 pesos. Hindi pa po kasama yung company fee na 50,000 pesos. Pero yung company fee na yun is hindi siya isang bagsakan kasi sa amin is morely like installment. Like upon signing the contract sa amin is like engagement fee is 20,000 pesos. Once maka-receive ka na ng LOA or letter of acceptance, it's 10,000 pesos. Once you have the COE or the confirmation of enrollment, you need to pay 10,000 pesos. And the last one is upon visa approval is 10,000, the last 10,000 pesos. So overall installment is 50,000 pesos. So hindi siya masyado mabigat because it's installment naman. So how to earn almost 1 million in just 5 months? So guys, paano nga ba kumita ng almost 1 million in just 5 months? So this is based on a $35 per hour and 40 hours a week. So if you're earning $35 per hour and work 40 hours a week, you get 1,400 a week salary. So magkano yan? It's $5,600 for the first month. For the second month, it's 11,000. For the third month, it's 16,000. So in the whole just whole 5 months, you earn almost 1 million pesos. So, paano kaya pag couple ka pa? Pag may dependent ka pa, di ba? So, pag as a couple, you earn almost 2 million in just 5 months as a couple. So, ito, dinoble-doble lang natin kasi you work na dalawa kayong tatrabaho. Ito pa din, naka-base pa din ito sa $35 per hour and work 40 hours a week. So, every week you get the two of you gonna get 1,400 a week salary. So as a couple, you almost earn 2 million pesos in just 5 months. So ito naman tayo sa application process. So these are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. So step 1 ay yung sinabi ko po kanina na kailangan niyo pumirma ng contract sa amin sa Accentrix. Step 1, sign the agreement, then pay the engagement fee of 20,000 pesos. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit all application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are genuine. Submit visa application and arrange accommodation travel. Ayun yung mga step application process natin. So this is stage 1 processes. So 1, fill up the PDF form, agreement, school, enrollment form, etc. Submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school, pay the tuition fee, and apply for a visa, immigration. So maraming salamat po sa nanood ng ating